Best subcompact car for 2025 to 2024 Nissan Versa. The 2024 Nissan Versa has been recognized as the best subcompact car for 2025, praised for its affordability, practicality, and efficiency. As a standout choice in the subcompact segment, the Versa combines value with a surprisingly refined driving experience. Efficient performance. The 2024 Nissan Versa is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, generating 122 horsepower and 114 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, that optimizes fuel efficiency and provides a smooth driving experience. The Versa achieves an estimated 32 miles per gallon combined, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers seeking a cost-effective daily commute. Modern design and comfortable interior. The 2024 Versa features a sleek and contemporary design with a bold front grille and aerodynamic lines. Inside, the Versa offers a surprisingly spacious and well-appointed cabin for its class. The standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims add additional features such as a larger 8-inch touchscreen, upgraded materials, and a 6-speaker audio system, enhancing overall comfort and convenience. Advanced safety features. Nissan has equipped the 2024 Versa with a comprehensive suite of safety features, setting it apart from many competitors in the subcompact category. Standard safety technologies include automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. These features contribute to the Versa's strong safety ratings and offer added peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Value and practicality. The 2024 Nissan Versa excels in delivering exceptional value. With its competitive pricing, impressive fuel efficiency, and robust safety features, it offers a compelling package for those seeking a practical and affordable subcompact car. The Versa's low starting price and extensive warranty further enhance its appeal. Conclusion. The 2024 Nissan Versa is celebrated as the best subcompact car for 2025 due to its affordability, efficient performance, and modern features. Its overall value and practicality make it a top choice for drivers looking for a dependable and cost-effective subcompact vehicle.